Nothing like crap lawnmowers. So these two beasts are up here from, they're both hard rubbish hybrids, I suppose, because I'm looking at this one. I forget what I've done after time, but this is, it says Victor on the engine, and it's clearly not an MTD chassis which I've bent to make it fit, but it looks like it's developed a decent oil leak. But engine looks very similar to El Beasto here, which is good, because when I lifted up El Beasto before to have a look, I noticed there are absolutely no blades left. So the plan of attack is to drop it on the ground, is to hopefully get the blades off of this one and chuck them on there. See how we go. But yeah, give me something to do in the rain while I'm waiting for the weather to clear, and then when I'm done I can just finish off a few patches of grass which the ride-on couldn't get. Alright, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.